So finally we need to program our fish. So the first thing you should do is click on the fish sprite, and then you can click on code, and then we're going to choose from events when green flag clicked, and then we want to select motion, go to, and we want to change the coordinates so the fish starts right in the center of the screen, x0 and y0. Okay, and also we want it to wait 2 seconds, so we can go down to control and type in wait and change that to 2 seconds. And we will select forever, and then we will say forever change x by 2. Because if you remember Flappy Bird, the bird is always falling down, and you can only keep the bird up if you press the space bar. So we're going to forever change x by 2. That will make our fish always drop and drop and drop, so it's always going lower. Okay, and then we've got to make another little program, and we go events when space bar is clicked, and then we go to motion, and we want to change y by 20, so that this will make sure that whenever the player presses the spacebar, the fish will come up. But one little change, I made a mistake. I don't need x over here. This should actually be y, because y is to make us go up and down, and change y by 2, and up here it should be changed y by 20. Okay, finally, we want to get one last program, so that when the green flag is clicked, forever, if touching color, and of course the color should be purple. How can we get it to be that color? We can click here on that little box, and then we can actually choose this symbol, and then I click right here, and so that whenever it's touching that specific color of purple, which is what the wall is, then the game will end, because we're not allowed to touch the walls, of course. So then we go to control, and we can select stop all. Okay, now let's test out our game. So we'll stop it and we'll start it, and to begin with we should be able to move. Yep, it's working, except our fish is moving up, not down, because this should be minus to make our fish move down. Okay, let's try and start it again. So now the fish is moving down, and when I press spacebar, the fish comes back up, which is cool, and I need to make sure I avoid the obstacles. Now let's test out if the game stops when I hit the purple wall. Let's try and crash into the purple wall. And you can see the game did end. So there's a lot of nice changes and improvements you can make, but that's the basic game.